Russia-Ukrainian war enters its 166th day on 8 August 2022. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov reported on the progress of the special military operation in Ukraine. An air-based missile strike hit position near Kharkov belonging to the 92nd Mechanized Brigade and the 122nd Battalion of the 113th Territorial Defense Brigade. The enemy suffered losses 150 servicemen and 14 vehicles and armored combat vehicles. The Russian Airspace Forces struck the combat position of 105th and 106th Battalion of 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine, destroying more than 70 nationalists and 14 cars equipped. Russian Air Forces unit destroyed 30 servicemen and 5 vehicles from the 18th Battalion of 35th Marine Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Novopolovka, Nikolaev region. The Russian Airspace Forces and Missile troops struck Ukrainian with the precision strike yesterday. Russian Airspace Forces and Missile troops precision struck at Ukrainian nationalist temporary deployment points and resulted in mass casualties and mercenaries desertions. Kraken nationalist formation has lost its combat efficiency in Kharkov direction. Due to the big losses, the commander of Nazi formation urgently to force the citizens to Kharkov to join it. Operational, tactical, and army aviation missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. In a single operation, 5 command posts hit, including those of Armed Forces of Ukrainian Solidar Task Force Group near Kashovyar in Donetsk People Republic, and the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Balaya, Kinista in Kherson region, as well as 117 areas of Armed Forces of Ukrainians' manpower and military equipment concentration. Ammunition depots of the 66th, 110th Mechanized and 56th Motorized Infantry Brigades near Vodavnoye, 5 ammunition depots of Armed Forces in Krasnogorovka, Novomilievka and Artemovsk, and 1 fuel depot near Novomilievka in Donetsk People Republic have been destroyed. During the counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of Uragan multiple rocket launcher system near Ershentino, 1 battery of Akatsiya self-propelled artillery system near Krasnoye, and combat vehicles of American HIMARS multiple rocket launcher system near Kramatorsk have been hit. 3 platoons of Grad multiple rocket launcher system near Kodema, Mayaki, and Adomovka, 4 artillery platoons of Masta B guns, and 2 platoons of Giants B guns at firing position near Soledar, Artemovsk, Velesoye, Zerzing, Maximil Yanovka, and Antonovka in Donetsk People Republic have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have shot down 7 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Krinilovka, Mardinyovka, Krapinstoye in Donetsk People Republic, Barvenkovo, Dolgenkoye, Savitsy in Kharkov region, and Barvinok in Kherson region. 3 Ukrainian Torskayu ballistic missiles have been intercepted in the near Brudyanka, Kharkov region, and Novaya Kakov, Kherson region, and also 9 rockets of United States-made HIMARS multiple rocket launcher system have been shot down in the near Sukaya Kamenka, Kharkov region, Melitopol, Zaporozhye region, and Antonovka, Kherson region. Russia lost a bunch of military equipment during the operation: 263 airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,708 unmanned aerial vehicles, 363 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,269 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 791 multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,276 field artillery and motors, and 4,774 units of the special military vehicles. Other side, Ukrainian authorities report the Russians also lost big number of war equipment until day 166. There are 223 aircraft, 192 helicopters, 1,811 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 261 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,993 vehicles fuel tanks, 754 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 182 cruise missiles.